Today I'm actually going to be taking this thing for a spin. I've been trying to take it for a spin, and it's finally like really nice weather, so I'm going to take it to work. I only have a few miles. I have my locks for it. I have the battery fully charged. I could take any of the motorcycles, but I've been kind of aching to try this out, so let's go for it. Empty to get me to work. Turn on the key, the ignition, put the kickstand, and then all we're going to do is hit the power button, and this is going to light up, and we're ready to go. Oh my god, it is pretty darn fast. So easy to ride. Oh my god, this thing is so effortless to ride. It's really fast though. That's the thing, I'm on mode 5 and it's very fast to ride. I'm gonna hop on the road. Very easy to hop on the road and keep up with traffic. Getting a little bit of exercise, I'm not winded. I can carry a conversation. I'm gonna hop on the sidewalk for a bit. That's the amazing thing about these e-bikes. They're so, you can ride them like any way you like. You want to ride them like a bicycle, just turn off the motor. Back on here. Yeah, this thing is awesome. I really think that something like this is better than a scooter. Man, I'm not even winded. Not even winded. For short commutes, even like 15-mile commutes, this is so good. Alright, it's turning yellow. Let's see. Yeah, I'm really liking this thing. And I have to admit, this thing is better than riding a scooter. Yeah, it's freaking windy. Not used one bar on this battery yet. That's pretty darn incredible. Throttle and go. Traffic. It is a terribly dangerous section here, but I'm going too fast on the sidewalk. I'm not used to that. I mean, look how they designed this. Terrible. Jesus. It's like they put the poles in the middle of the sidewalk. That's ridiculous. Alright. Look at that, big fat tire goes over these little branches, no problem. Oh, what is happening here? Metro bus accident. Man, that's a bad day. Thank you. Oh, a rat. Oh my god, that was a rat. Look at that, that's that bus. We're doing really well. I mean, this thing is like, you can still get a little workout. I mean, I can turn it down, right? Let's see what it... let's see what it's like if I turn off the motor. All right, let's see. Oh my God, yeah, it's you have gears. That's when you rely on the gears to pedal. So I haven't been shifting because there's no need to shift, but it actually rides pretty well without the battery. The shifting is very good. Now going up this little hill, I'll downshift, get a little workout. Oh my God, yeah, it's, you can tell. But now I'm upshifting and I'm going to turn the motor back on. I mean, this is a big workout if you turn off the motor. Man, the electric bikes, man, they're awesome. I know that a lot of you guys watching, you're all into motorcycles, but man, there's something awesome about, oh yeah, this thing does not like those crazy bumps. There's something so awesome about riding this thing. I mean, this is a fraction of the cost that even a scooter will do. And you don't have to share the road with anybody. You do not have to share the road. That's awesome. I mean, can't afford a Tesla, can't afford a zero motorcycle. You can afford an electric bike, and I think it's better. This thing is better than a road-oriented vehicle that you have to pay for an inspection and registration and plates. Okay. Man, first commute done on the e-bike.